A couple of months ago, one of our family members walked out of a care facility and never returned. He had a long history with alcohol and lived on the streets for over 2 decades. Recently, he was even diagnosed with schizoaffective disorder, bipolar type, and was issued a court order for long term treatment. The problem was he was missing. We knew which state he was last seen in, and the family members were worried that no one would be looking for him. And to complicate matters, he didn't carry any ID on him. So we felt the best approach was to find a private detective in the same state. As I live several states away, I went onto the internet and looked up licensed and bonded detectives that dealt with missing persons. And that's where I found Bob Norberg. I called him and explained our situation, and he immediately understood not only the urgency in finding him, but also the level of difficulty he would face. We set up a daily correspondence so we could track our progress. Bob made us feel as if we were part of a team effort, and each day information could be digested and gone over to help us in the search. Within one day, Bob and his team were on the job, and first they researched any online information that might help them in the search, like arrests friends associated with, family members he might turn to, etc. And with that information, he and his team hit the streets, or as he called it, boots on the ground. We felt good about Bob's methods, as he was taking a proactive approach to our situation, something we definitely feared the police might not do. After several weeks, 4 counties visiting detox centers, homeless shelters, liquor stores, bars, and other places a homeless person might spend time at, we finally found our missing family member. And once we had found and detained him, the story was not over. On an intuitive thought, Bob called the facility where he was held, only to find out he had been released and sent to a different county. Bob quickly notified the authorities that there must have been a mix-up and that they needed to go and get him from the wrong facility and bring him to the one listed on the court order. We are deeply in debt to Bob for his investigative abilities and feel very comfortable in recommending him to anyone who might be in need of detective services.